Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Coinbase on your iPhone. First, navigate to the App Store on your device. Search for Coinbase and download the official application. Ensure you have a stable internet connection before starting the download. Once installed, open the app to begin the setup process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth experience. After opening the app, you will see an option to get started. Tap this to begin creating your new account. You will need to provide your full legal name and a valid email address. Next, create a strong, unique password. Remember, a secure password is your first line of defense for your digital assets, so choose wisely. To complete your setup, you must verify your identity. First, check your email for a verification link from Coinbase and click it. Then, you will be prompted to upload a photo of a valid government-issued identification document. Finally, link a payment method, like a bank account or debit card, to easily fund your account and start trading. Security is paramount. Enable two-factor authentication immediately for an extra layer of protection. Once your account is secure, take some time to explore the Coinbase app. Familiarize yourself with its features and the various cryptocurrencies available. You might also consider setting up recurring buys to invest consistently over time, a strategy known as dollar cost averaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.